How to use Bitget coupon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnith, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Bitget coupon. Well, if you want to use the Bitget coupon, I'll just be guiding you through using this official support page from Bitget. First, you can see what our coupon is. Coupon has a valid amount, while some also have a discount ratio. Now I won't get much deeper into it because if you're on this video, you must basically know everything here. So how you can use it? Navigate the world of smart trading with confidence by learning how to use Bitget here. So as you can see how you can find and claim coupons. You can find coupons through the following method, that is website. Simply head into profile, in the upper right corner, dashboard, reward center and coupon. If you're on the app, profile, coupon center and then coupons, and there you'll be able to redeem your coupons easily. Once claimed, your coupons will become available. No transfer is required whatsoever. However, there are some rules. As you can see, coupons can only be used to offset spot and futures transaction fees. Each coupon contains a valid amount and some have a discount ratio. For example, suppose you received a 1000 USDT coupon with a 50% discount. If you make it read with a 10 USDT transaction fee, you can use the coupon to deduct 50% of the transaction fees, 5 USDT. The coupon will then have 95 USDT remaining for use in other trades. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.